Good afternoon. Thanks for being here on this snowy Monday afternoon. Student meteorologist Ryan Breton here tracking the snow at the Campus Weather Service, and it is a snowy picture out there as of 4 o'clock at the Walker Building here on the Penn State campus. Notice that Atherton is actually covered in the snow at this time, and it's a similar story looking at Park Ave. The cars traveling there in the snow, and you really can't see too far in the distance. And in fact, the current observation at University Park shows visibility down below a mile, near zero in spots due to the heavy snow that's been falling out there over the course of the past couple of hours. On the radar right now, we can see the snow that's moving through central Pennsylvania, but in fact, by the time you're viewing this on CNET, I imagine that the heaviest of the snow has moved out of Center County. But at this time, it's snowing to beat the band in spots from State College into Pleasant Gap, all the way down into places like Lamar, and all of this is going to be moving along I-80 as we go through the course of the next couple of hours. Notice in western Pennsylvania, the heavy precipitation has moved out, but there are still some rain showers in here, and these are expected to move into central Pennsylvania this evening, and they'll bring us some snow and mixed showers as we go throughout the evening hours as well. Big system, though, that we're tracking here, along with it some severe weather that's been occurring down to our south. But it was this area of high pressure that kept us high and dry through much of the course of the morning. But of course, we've seen the snow that's moved in here through the afternoon. So the steady snow is ending now, but we'll have periods of snow showers mixing with some sleet and freezing rain overnight. So there are some snow-covered roadways out there, resulting in a difficult evening commute. And we're generally looking at 3 to 5 inches of snow for most, with a light glaze of ice on top of all that snow. Let's take a look at some of the advisories that have been issued. The National Weather Service has gone ahead and issued a winter storm warning for all of central Pennsylvania, winter weather advisories to our east and southeast due to lesser amounts of snow that are expected there. So overnight tonight, our eye on the future shows that again, we'll have periods of snow mixing with some sleet and freezing rain overnight. But by the time we get to tomorrow morning, the majority of the precipitation will have moved out of the area, and we'll actually find a bit of sunshine at times tomorrow, but then there might be a few snow showers and squalls that move back through the region during the midday and afternoon hours tomorrow as well. So how much snow are we anticipating? This is one of our computer models, a high-resolution one. Notice that some of the hill towns and on the ridges, we are expecting a bit more, but probably about 3 or 4 inches in State College by the time all is said and done. But overall, the majority of the accumulation going to be to our north, 4 to 8 inches for Williamsport, Coudersport, 3 to 5 inches for much of central Pennsylvania, and lesser amounts down toward the Maryland border, except in the high elevations. So again, overnight tonight, periods of snow, sleet, and freezing rain throughout the night. Travel will be difficult for much of the night. Temperatures in the 20s, actually rising to about freezing by the time we get to tomorrow morning. During the day tomorrow, we'll have many clouds, perhaps sunshine at times, but there might be an additional rain or snow shower as well, with highs near 40. And then on the 7-day forecast, you can see that we actually have a bit of sunshine that returns to the picture on Wednesday, and then we might have some flurries on Thursday before the sunshine returns for the start of the weekend. And actually, we might turn a bit milder by Saturday with highs in the 40s, and that's welcome news because spring, of course, begins on Wednesday. That's your forecast. Have a good night.